Hey, good morning پسرم خوبی بابا. So I want to talk about arc length here. Um, if you look at a circle, not a unit circle, any circle with a radius r, circumference is the length of the perimeter of your circle. So from there to there. And circumference is 2 pi r. We knew that from way before. So that's 2 pi r. So think about how would you calculate this arc length here with an angle of theta with the same radius r? Well, a circle is 2 pi in terms of radian or 360 degrees in terms of degrees. So let's just stick to radian right now. So if your angle is theta, the ratio of this to that is theta over 2 pi, because theta is just a portion of this full circle, which means if you were to figure out this section, you kind of need to know the ratio of your angle with respect to the full circle. So um, you could say that this amount is theta divided by 2 pi r, because 2 pi r is the full circle, theta is just that much of it. So this is the ratio that you kind of need to have. So it's theta divided by 2 pi r times the circumference. That would give you this arc length. So again, it's the ratio of what you have in this little pi section with respect to the full circle. So if the full circle is 360 degrees and you have 45 degrees, then it's 45 divided by 360 degree times the circumference, and that would be how much that portion would be. If this is not clear, think about, you know, just the ratio of what you need to cut out in order to get this arc length. So this arc length S is theta divided by 2 pi times the circumference, or whatever degree divided by 360 degrees times the circumference. But I have a cancellation because theta divided by 2 pi times 2 pi r, which is the circumference, the 2 pi will cancel out. So the arc length is just r theta in a regular case. So if you have a radius 2 and theta equal 30 degrees, well, that's kind of like this. This is 30 degrees. This is your arc length, and then your radius is 2. So the arc length is r theta based on what we just found here. So r is 2 and your theta is pi over 6, because 30 degrees is pi over 6. So the arc length is actually pi over 3. That's the value of it. And pi is 3.14, so that's just what that is. You can divide it by, you can say 3.14 divided by 3. But I would just leave it in the pi format. Now you had a question that you sent, and it says that you have a clock, and let's say the radius over there I think was 1.2, but I just do a 2 here for simplicity, and it's going 40 minutes. So just imagine a clock has 60 minutes and you're going only 40 minutes of it. So the ratio would be 40 out of 60 of the perimeter, of this perimeter. So 40 out of 60, that's that, and the circumference is 2 pi r. So you can kind of see this 40 and 60 cancel out to 2/3 times 2 pi times 2 your radius, because it says your radius is 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 divided by 3 times pi. So then that means the tip of your arm of your clock has traveled 8 pi over 3 if your radius was 2. If your radius was 1.2, that would change here, so the whole calculation would change. I hope this was helpful, Pesera.